see, but I can still see it. I don't know. That was fun. Yeah, thanks for playing, guys. The CBA was fun, and I'll play it again some other time. Thanks, Hiker Boy. Okay. On mobile app, it filters out. Well, I know because I tried to make an emote called GG Loser, and it wouldn't let me. So, but it's fine. I don't need that emote anyways. Okay. This is where I left off on two-dimensional lists. And I'm really good at them. Create. Create a list called subjects. Okay. What? Create a list called subjects and fill it with the classes you're taking. Okay, so this is a one-dimensional list. Calculus. Are you switching to comp sci? I already graduated college. So I can't really switch unless you mean like career-wise. I'm trying to code. Is that, I feel like, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but like comp sci is more like the hardware of computers, or maybe it's not. That's just like, when I think of computer science, I think of like how do computers like turn ones to zeros? I mean, ones and zeros into stuff. Okay, I think that's save. Is that not? They're not letting me like submit. Mark the task. Oh, okay. Sorry, I have to do it myself apparently. Computer science is way above ones and zeros. Well, I didn't mean it like that. I just meant like coding is like learning a language to speak to the computer, and computer science is like the technical, pretty mutual. Program hacks. No, I'm not programming any hacks. I'm not that advanced yet, but maybe someday. We're just making some lists here so that I know syntax and whatnot. This will just be integers. And I don't think I have to do decimal points, because then that would be a float, you know? Electronic engineers are the real heroes. Ones and zeros are actually just electrons. That's too big brain for me. But isn't everything electrons though? Manually create a two-dimensional list without any methods. Okay, they mean like don't like add them together. Oh, okay, great book. Right, syntax is important. 98. Ooh, no, I just did an error. Ah, I just did it again. Coding is easy compared to those hardware geeks designing the programming. Well, I don't know. I just think, like, my dad is in like software and stuff, and he said he only took one computer science class in college and he didn't like it. And I was like, hey, that would probably be me. but then he got into software like other ways. And I was like, hey, maybe I want to do that too. 88. Okay. That should be correct. Print. Oops, why is it capitalized? Did I? Okay. Print hello world. No, that did not print how I would. Well, is it supposed to look like that? Hey, Spenzone. Programming is not that easy. And you get Spring and Python stuff like that. It's a sandbox compared to how it started. Yeah, I love technology and how it's evolved to make it easier. I just don't know if this... Should it be in brackets when it prints? I don't think it should. Drunk 2, drinking alone. Watching Orlou and Bean. Pepe Jam. Pepe Jam. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a check anyways. Grade. Oops. Your grade for computer science just came in. You got a perfect score. I just hope this is right. I wish they would tell me. Because how am I gonna learn if I don't know if I'm doing anything wrong? We have to append. Okay. Let's append. What? Computer science? There's nothing for that. Oh, we want to add it. Okay. Oof. Maybe I need a hint. California. I'm from California. Yeah, let me look at this. Append new value. I just put it right in there and it's gonna just add it? I mean, sure. Computer science, 100%. And now let's print that. Wait, you can't print what? Well, now just print gradebook. No, error. Append takes exactly one argument. Ooh. But no, they don't like me adding two things. The computer didn't like that. Takes exactly one argument, and I gave two. Wrap it in brackets. Oh. Psh. Syntax. Feels syntax, man. Okay, I would say that's a bean DGG right there. Okay, so every list has to be in brackets. That's what I understood from it. Python time. It is Python time. I'm not sure if Python allows you to add entry like that or you have to add a variable. You just have to wrap it in brackets and you can add all the dimensions you want. Exactly. Did I see that link? I do now. Ads. What is this? Someone made that with software? Yeah, that's my goal. I will make something like that someday. Okay. I got a 93 in visual arts. Sounds like me. I was an art major. Well, no, I wasn't. I was humanities major with art history minor. And you know what? It was fun. I liked it. The homework was good, but I don't really want to be a professor, so... Visual arts, 93. Hey, they told me exactly how to write it. Don't tell me exactly how to write it. It's not your grade book. I got pretty good grades, but that's because I feel like I majored in something I liked, and that was like relatively easy. Like, I tried to avoid, at least in my later years, I avoided like science because I wasn't like, that major. But if I had to take harder classes, I'm sure I would have done worse. But I graduated summa cum laude. Accessed the index. Oh. I made a mistake. Okay. Got it. Wait. And I think it's just up. And then you put in the brackets. And then the two. No, I don't think that's... No, you call on the variables. Okay, let's call on stuff. Well, now I think I need to print this because how am I gonna know where it shows up? No? Oh, well, don't look at that yet. Oh, let's hashtag it out. Okay, so it's... I'll just look at that then. What, you studied humanities. Congrats, thank you. Watch that offline, it's a demo. Graphics and music made with software. Okay, thank you for sharing. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We're calling on the 5th. And then the grade. Wow, she's not adding 5 points. She's adding 5%. Because these are percentages. Whatever, lady. I don't understand how you're grading this. Or man, I don't know. Instructor. 0. Well, that should also be 5, right? No, sorry. 0, 1. 1. Okay. Ooh. Wait, no. Oh, crap. Wait, no. Rewarding 5 for our visual arts class. This is the whole... No, wait, sorry. What? What? I think now I'm confused about the whole task. Subjects, test score, like... This isn't so clear. Hello, Bean. Hey, little dragon. Hashtag it out. Remember what append does. Adds new entry to list. Yeah, that's why I didn't append it. Guess hashtagging it out sounds better than double slashing or starring. Yeah. Okay. This is really confusing. I mean, yeah, I could add 5 points to visual arts, but like, is this one person's grade? For our visual arts class. Well, whatever. I'm just gonna modify it. That's not how that works. Well, why not? Why can't I just say plus 5? Add the index. Or I just say plus 5 here without plus equals. Let me look at the hint. Okay, I did that. Determine the index. I did. I did access the value of 93. Or do I just say equals, like, do I just add it manually in my head? I did do plus or equals. Oh, I did equals plus. What would the value of x be to access 93? Well, yeah, that's not what I'm having a problem with. You know, like, should I just say, like, should I just do equals 98? Because that would be the... I guess it doesn't really matter. Yeah? Okay. We'll just save that. We'll print it again. Because why the heck not? Okay. It works. It is fine. You decide to switch from a numerical grade value to a pass option. I mean, pass fail. Find the value. Aw, poor poetry class. Poetry is underrated. We need more poets in the world, I think. Grade book. Remove BG. Oh. So true or false? That would be kind of cool. No, that might be too... I don't think that's what they're asking me to do. Find the grade value. Poetry class, remove. Okay. They're really making me go, like, step by step. Okay, that would be 0, 1, 2. Wait. They want me to remove the whole no. They want me to just remove that one piece. 0, 1. Good code is like poetry. I wouldn't know, apparently. Not yet. At least I can't appreciate good code if I don't know how to code. That's why I need to learn. Find the value. Okay, let's see if... Remove value. I'm not gonna help. Why did you say gradebook 5? Because I wanted to call on the value. Is that not what they're wanting? Like, I keep calling on the position. Starter, print is your best friend. Print any value to check the answer. It's kind of like noob debugging. Nice. Well, yeah, then let's keep printing. Yeah, they didn't like that. Okay. Makes sense. It's out of range. Okay, I think we just type in... I just type in the number? Whoops. I don't get it though, because what if there's two 85s? Yeah, so something's wrong. Suggest doing each... What? Don't use brackets without a preceding variable. Okay. Gradebook 2. Maybe I call on it first. And then, like so, 0, 1, 2, and then 1. Oh, I don't think that's how this works. Didn't I already do that? Yeah. Okay, let's put it in parentheses. Yeah, that's not it. It's not 85 either. Remove isn't a variable. But neither is this. Okay. Don't use brackets without a variable. So this is not a variable. So I should... This is tricky. Should I just put gradebook in there? I must have to do something like whatever this... But, hey, earlier I did the brackets and not a variable. So I don't know. Gradebook is a list of lists, so remove the value from one of the lists. Drat, this is so tricky. I don't know why. Where else could you put the bracket? Inside the parenth? Oh, put it here. Ooh. No, wait, is that... Access poetry sublist. Okay. 2 and then 1. Remove 85. Or just remove it. Int object. Okay, we'll put 85. No. That's not... Is that... Oh. 0, 1, 2... 0, 1. Yeah, that... I'm... Remove bracket 1? Close? Remove bracket 1. Sorry, let me read. Maybe I have to read. Well, this one didn't really give me a... They only give me hints. Your grade pushes 85. Well, yeah. Oh. Exists at gradebook 2. Why did... Oh. Remove value. 85. I know. I like should have read the hint. Should have stared at it longer. I don't know. Okay. Well, that's weird. Okay. So in here we were just appending. We were adding something. If we're removing something, we have to like actually pick something. Yes. Okay, well that's good to know. Copy this to clipboard. Just kidding. Okay, use append. Add pass. Okay. Alright, so appending is easier than removing, at least in my opinion. I don't understand why it worked. Why did she do like that? Well, the hint told me to. Use append that add pass. Okay. Or do I have to, oh, maybe I want to append the exact thing. So we wanted to, okay, pass. So many lines of code for no reason, really. Like, maybe it's because I keep printing everything. Hey, pass. Go for it. She gets it. Are you learning code at uni or just online classes, self-learn? Just self-learn. No college courses, but I do want to try to do like the Harvard courses off stream and then like do Code Academy on stream, so I have like both, because there are free Harvard classes. Have your grades from last semester. It's just too hard to like do those courses on stream because they're like hour-long videos, and I feel like I can't really sit here and watch a video for an hour. Oh, sorry, they already made that. Oh, are the courses on Code Academy expensive? Yes. It's like 30, 40 bucks per month, but it is, the Python 3 is free this week. Or, I mean, you get a free trial. So maybe just get it free this week, then do your free trial. And then you got it. You don't pay by course, you pay for the premium stuff. Hey, Yosemite. Full gradebook combines. Okay, this is easy. Plus or equals. Wait, I don't know if you can add variables like that. Yeah, you can. Wait, maybe not, because it's... Maybe let's not. Well... No, it says using a plus. Plus or equals, wait, sorry, what am I doing? Don't look, it's not ready. Oh no, you gotta put the variable first, okay. Full gradebook. And then you print it. This is the only time they have specifically, explicitly told me to print something. Did that work? It's so hard, like, cause I printed so much stuff, now I can't see anything. Python Institute website, it's free and better than this. Well, Dot, nothing is better than this. Why would you say that? Now I want to look it up. And no one's gonna stop me? Python Institute. You sign up and it's free. Oh my gosh. In 30 years time, AI is probably code for us. Probably, I'm sure that would be a thing. In the meantime though, I want to learn. Wow. There are so many free online resources. Cool. Let's start the next lesson where they actually start telling me what's right and wrong. Wow, I've never seen any of these things. Good to see more fellow programmers. So I wouldn't call myself a programmer yet, but thank you. If AI codes everything, it won't make bugs. That would be an awkward world. Yeah. Interesting. But computers kind of make mistakes all the time. I don't know, at least in my opinion, like they break down all the time. So that might, okay. Let's start learning. Add and remove items from list. Did I not just do that? Count. Insert. Alright, this is just a little preview. Length of a list. I've heard of len. Range. I've heard of range too. Cool. Slicing, yes. Free or free until. From what I saw, it's free except if you want like the certificate at the end. The Harvard class is the same way. Like the whole class is free, and if you want the certificate that you completed it, then it costs like $100-something bucks. But I've heard that these certificates aren't important. Like to, I don't know, employers or something, I don't know, unless you're like doing it for school or something. Could learn Python with ebooks. Yeah, I do have an ebook, but I don't know, I like the hands-on stuff. It's, maybe I could do both. I don't know, I'm sure this will be, I definitely need to put more time into it if I'm going to like really go down this path. Python insert allows us to add an element to a specific list. Okay, what's the difference between add an element to a list? So this is different than append. Oh, because it's not like in append you're adding like a whole subsection, and then in insert you're adding the, does that make sense? I don't know. I mean, I'm trying to like figure out what's the difference between them. Maximum save spot for Victor. I don't know, but like Codecademy is helpful. Like it is kind of like coding for dummies, because like for someone like me who's not like super familiar with all this like syntax and like, I mean, it's definitely like helpful like to get a leg up. Append adds to end. Oh, this like inserts it wherever you want, probably, huh? Okay. I need to change my posture or I won't be able to last very long. Need to adjust the list to add them in line behind maximum. Okay, so this is like adding stuff specifically. Cool. Oh, this isn't the exercise. So 2, because you want to put it in spot 2? 0, 1, 2. Right behind Carlos, in front of the line. He wants to be behind. Okay, so yeah, you would want to put it in spot 0, 1, 2. Got it. Two comma Victor. Vicor, it's actually Viker. Hey Lita, what's up? What's your motivation for learning code? Want to be a game developer? Not necessarily. I mean, not games, I don't think. Well, I saw this TikTok that said like it's from this guy. His name's Frank. He's he's retired software engineer, and he said that it's like not a good idea to get into like coding games or programming games because they're kind of like underpaid. Because like everyone wants to be game developers. I mean, anyone can correct me if this is wrong information, but I mean, it makes sense to me. Like, you know, who doesn't want to code a game? So like, he said like that wasn't like, if you're gonna do engineering, like maybe don't do like gaming engineering. But I think it would be cool to either like do like, yeah, maybe like code it an app. That would be cool. Because I mean, there's like so much you can do with that. Maybe an app will be my goal for now, but I just want to like be like good at the code first, and I don't know. I don't like have like a specific. I just want to like be employable. I don't know. Arrays as a table. You modify, add, delete stuff from the table. Coding dating apps. Exactly. Like all the dating apps suck because they don't. Because everyone is so bad at them. Like everyone's profile sucks. They say pineapple on pizza or whatever. And it's like that doesn't say anything about your personality. So like I would like help people like be more descriptive. You know, I would push them along to like say, "Hey, add more stuff about yourself. Don't be basic." But yeah, maybe I could have a better algorithm. I don't know. That's just ideas. But yeah, I mean, I guess the world doesn't really need more dating apps, do they? People will accept less just to work on games. So why would they pay high? There you go, Zebran. That's what I'm talking about. Lists are known as arrays in most languages but Python. Okay, so these are arrays. We inserted it into the store line, got it. It's kind of like a weird syntax, but I guess I'll get used to it. What do you do to make your profile good? At least for me, I'm looking for someone like who I can like relate to, you know, like I'm like, do we have something in common? Like if you're always like when someone's always outdoors skiing, always swimming. Not that that's fine, do you? Or like playing sports. For me, I'm inside all day. I just want to sit and like not have to go out. Like if they look like a party person, so like just, you know, what kind of person do you want to attract? Like, you know, say something that like makes them feel comfortable, or like be funny, like say a joke, you know? Like if I saw something that was funny, like that would like catch my attention. Or like I hate when people just like your picture like on Hinge and then they don't say anything. They just like your picture and then it's like, okay, like I don't know. Maybe I'm just too picky, but like it makes me think that like I don't know, the best matches I ever got were the people who actually talked to me and like responded to the prompts. Anyways, enough about back to the code. JavaScript is dead. Try React. I don't think JavaScript's dead. You don't think Python is heavily used with app making? Okay. Is it just for like data science then? I don't know. What is Python? Discord bots? I don't know. I don't think it's... I think Python's a good place to start for me to like understand the code. Problem with dating apps is that everyone wants to date, hook up. I know, that is a problem. Looks are pretty much all that matters on dating apps. I mean, kind of. I don't know. I'm not a fan of them either. Oh. Okay. You were learning Python, but you're gonna try JavaScript. I know my dad recommended JavaScript to me too. I don't think it's dying. Why would you say that, Mr. Dutt? Don't. Like, if I wasn't learning Python, I'd probably be doing JavaScript. Pineapple is back in stock. Okay, no. Insert. Let me go back to my lesson. Okay, so you want to insert it somewhere specifically. We'd like to put pineapple in front of the list. So we want to put it in space 0. Easy claps. Oops. But we like to capitalize it. Excuse me. Cool. Oh yeah, we didn't print it, that's why I did not update. Oh, print the results. Yeah. There we go. How close to 12K followers? I'm about 100 followers away. I just reached 11.9K. Removing. I assume this one's also kind of self-explanatory. Pop. Oh, what? Pop. Takes a single input. CS topics. Data structures. Clowns. Pandas. I've heard of pandas. And I want to learn pandas because I like the word. 12-hour stream. I literally thought about it. That did cross my mind, but I don't know if I could do 12 hours. That might be a lot, but yeah, I did cross my mind. That doesn't mean I'm gonna do it though. I just can't imagine me sitting here like from like 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. I'd go crazy. Okay. Well, this isn't. Oh, they already wrote it for me. Remove element. Wait, he made a whole new variable called removed. I guess maybe that's what you gotta do to organize stuff. Wait, he didn't even remove anything. Huh? How long have I been doing Python? I think I started about 3.5 weeks ago. Try not to use Python helper functions, use algorithms, you're gonna learn more. Python helper functions use algorithms. Oh, are these helpers? I don't understand. What am I doing that's a helper function? This? 12-hour coding boot camp. Certainly be helpful. Using pop without an index will remove whatever the last is. Okay. Pop is unique in that it will return the value that was removed. What? If you want to know what element was deleted, pop. Assign a variable. Oh gosh. Oh. That's what he was doing there. That's how you write good code. You make variables for every single thing you're doing. Or something like that, I don't know. You don't have to save. Okay, let's do this stuff now. Okay. I'm ready. I'm doing data science, folks. SSR. Just keep following the tutorial. Thank you. I will. Swear word. Ban him. Just kidding. Looks like we have overlap with computer science curriculum. Okay. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make variable removed stuff because we need to know what we have removed. Because I need to, like, you know, keep everything organized. Okay, that, oops, oh gosh, what am I doing? Okay. Wait, they did something, oh. Removed element, yes. Equals that. Cool. Does that work? Oh, no, sorry, that's not, I wasn't ready yet. Okay. Remove the topic from the list. Okay. SSR. Yeah, I'm not there yet. I'm doing data science. Let's remove the topic from the list. Okay. That is 0, 1, 2. Actually, you know what? Oh, wait. If you just leave it blank, then it removes the last thing in the list. So, now we print it. I'm just gonna see. Alright, they actually want me to type in the Python, even though they said if you type in nothing, it would be fine, but it's not. What? Oh, let's look here. 8. String cannot be interpreted as an integer. Oh, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that what they want? What? What do you want from me? It says Python 3's last element, we can use pop. I did! But not match. It did delete it. Oh wait, I also delete. Oh, this is deleting something. I think. But I was just trying to do what they were doing here. But maybe that's not good. No, sorry, this is printing... No, this is printing this. Why did it remove... Okay, wait. I think I removed it twice. Pop. No input in between to remove. I think I just have to take out whatever this was. I'll have to learn it later. Why is it so picky? Looks like there's overlap. I wanted to, like, you know, keep everything clear and concise. Oh, sorry, algorithms is not 0, 1, 2. Let me see. Yeah, they want me to do that. 0, 1, 2, 3. Wait, but now it's not 3. 0, 1, 2. Oh, it is still 3. Okay. And then print. Cool. Easy claps. I don't get why making that the removed element, it wouldn't let me do it. There's software and game development section. Yes, there is. You know, you can develop games without really knowing how to code. Someone the other day that I hosted was making a game in Unreal Engine. And you just like kind of use their code to code the game. Hey Dan Code, hype for studying programming. I know, I like it in Code Academy because I like the way they organize things into like little lessons. I don't know, makes it more digestible. List containing 0 through 9. Typing out all the numbers takes time. The more we type, the more we can cause an error. That's true. Python gives us called range. Whoa. Generates number starting at 0 and ending at the number before the input? Why is that so... Who's gonna remember that? Unreal Engine has a pretty good visual programming system called Blueprint. I mean, maybe I could code something in there. Code a game, I don't know. Looks good, but you have a feeling that those sections skim over topics? Oh, like you mean here? Yeah, probably. I mean... It would take me a while to like learn everything. I don't think this will teach me everything, obviously. Recommend notes on paper. No, someone I think in my Discord told me to like write notes too. I guess I could. Maybe starting tomorrow. I just don't want to right now. I just don't really have a pen and paper. But yeah, no, I agree. Like, some of the stuff I will forget, probably a lot of it. This is to give an introduction. They don't explain everything. Eventually it clicks. For tomorrow, yes. I'm a procrastinator. Modify. Okay, I did not really look at what they meant. Okay. So if we want it to go 0 to 9, yeah, that's what I don't get. That's so weird. My range. No, I agree. Actually, I think you're right. Like, writing notes would at least help it stick in my brain. Because I do one exercise, then I forget it. They want me to modify this. Up to, but not including 9. But not including. Through print. Easy Easy, easy, easy. No. You have to put it in list form. You only retain through repetition. Yeah, no, I agree. Like if I actually used it to like create something. Cool. If you're stuck, look at their cheat sheets. Okay, thank you. Hey, Dragora, have a great stream. Thank you. Hard to cover an entire language's syntax. This is why I normally like jumping straight into a project and learning the nuances as you go. Yeah, I tried that with like the Discord bot, and it just got too many layers of like environment variables, tokens. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but like, I don't know. I feel like I need to at least learn the basics. You like to think of range as give me 10 entries starting from 0, so that's, oh, that is a helpful way to see it. MIT has a nice website to make apps for free, to make games like Super Mario. It's for kids though. It's for kids and it's for me too. I bet I could use that. Is it coding though? Hey Zach, how goes the Python? It's going well. Thank you for asking. I'm just doing lists and ranges and arrays. Maybe not arrays. I don't know. Maybe just lists. Oh, you can specifically make it do stuff. Oof. We create 2 through 9, okay. So that's 2 through 8. Lists in Python are basically arrays in JavaScript. Yes, that's what I've been told. Skip as many numbers as we want. Oh. 292. Give us a list where each number 2 is greater. Whoa. This is the cheat sheet. Ah. But they already kind of like, I mean, how much more cheating can I get? They basically add tips at every corner. I guess I don't understand. I guess those where each number 2 is 2 greater than the previous number? That like does not make sense. Python is a great language. Your favorite? Actually, you've hopped from Java, C#, C++, and landed on Python. Nice. Yeah, I've heard great things about Python, so I'm sticking with it for now. Yeah, I mean, you can tell, like, there's, like, an indentation in my hair from the headphones. Like, sometimes I just need to take them off. It gets too much. Like, it looks so insane. What the heck? Okay. 1. Skip as many numbers as we want. Start at 1. Skip increments of 10 until we get to 100. So that's weird because like this is where maybe I should take notes because I'm like, how am I gonna remember like where to put each number? Starting value, ending value, increment. Exactly. Does this tutorial's code editor give you help text if you hover over the function? No. I don't think so. I'll stream my job interviews from now on. At least it will be fun. Do it. I'll watch. And I'll take notes. Our list stops at 91 because the next number would be 101. Okay. Notes are our best friends. I know, Bean D notes, huh? I mean, maybe I'm just being lazy. I mean, I can go get paper and pen. Ugh. Okay. Well, this is more like my planner. I need like a... Oh, there's like stickers in here. I need to stick with Python so I can test my learning level against yours. We're both learning the same course. Yeah, it's a competition. You're used to college and organize customize my notes? Yeah, I can use these stickers to customize my notes. Don't forget. Can you guys see? There's like important deadline. Wow, there's so many. I should color coordinate my notes. That would be fun. That'd be a way to like make it interesting. Little champagne glasses. Okay, let me go grab an actual notebook. Well, actually, I might have one down here. I don't know. No, I don't think I do. BRB. Okay. So, I got this composition book. It has my name on it because it's my old composition book. Keep your notes in cloud? Like a Google Doc? That's no fun. I mean, I guess I could. I thought when you guys told me to take notes, I thought you meant like in a book. What was it all for then? I know, yeah, stickers, like, I mean, I think you're right, actually. Like, now that you mention it, I think putting them in a Word doc would probably be a little bit, but then, like, I don't know, I feel writing it down isn't, that's, like, scientifically proven to help your brain. Digital notes? I'm gonna I have to write this down in this book because otherwise it was all for nothing. And I'm gonna put stickers in it. So, let's see. I like the way that someone put it earlier. Yes, range, starting value, Python notes. Not that anyone can see what I'm doing. Dang it, should I just do it digitally? starting value. Yeah, this isn't really helping it stick. But if I ever need this. Ending value. Increment by how much? Default. Default 1. Parentheses. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna work out. Should I just do it digitally? I guess. Well, I could open up like a Word doc, but then you guys, I would dox myself. Well, I guess I could open it up over here. Well, important. That deserves a little important sticker. Yeah, do I think I'll ever read this? I don't know. I think I just need to stick to either doing it on... you know what? I think it would be easier on the computer because, like, then I can Control F and find exactly what I'm looking for. IDE. You can also print out the cheat sheet. That's true. That would be better. Do I have a preference for the notes? Well, I was gonna say, like, it might be easier. Oh, whoa. It might be easier to like learn it by writing it, but like if I'm going back through, I'm never gonna be able to find this. Like, if I have just pages of notes, you know. I guess it's like a matter of like, how am I gonna look back and find this? It's like I'm gonna need document. Right, notes like fuck. Proven help you retain. Like Python notes. Syntax. Just keep going. Well, I might as well set this up. I've already spent like 10 minutes on this. Oops. Whoops. Paste without. Dang it. I need to undo everything I've just done. There we go. Let's say this is for the range increments. Like, I just need to know how I'm gonna label this. Ew, it's so ugly. I need to like make it look beautiful. Kind of still, I don't like, to be honest, I don't like Arial as a font. Yeah, that's definitely not that. That's kind of cute. I'll just make it bigger. Yeah, let's leave it like that. Note taking is a personal experience to view. Do we live in a simulation? No, I don't think that. Okay. No more physical notes. That was just a waste of time. Cambria. Is that what I picked? Cambria. Yeah, actually Cambria's kind of beautiful. Sure, why not? Okay, back to biz. Modify the range. So it starts at 5. Sure. It's a difference of 3. Wait. Range 5, 3. That created range so that it starts at 5. Okay. Already does. Ends before 15. Well, let's look at my notes. Aha. Increment ending value. It already is that. Has a difference of 3. Maybe this. Yay for notes. Waste of time, you discovered your stickers. True. But then now what am I going to use the stickers on? I can't like put them in my stuff. Like notes. Maybe I can like highlight stuff. Nah, not yet. I don't have enough notes to start highlighting. Okay. Create a range. Alright, this is me, myself and I. Range diff 5. Starts at 0. Starting value, ending value. Okay. 5 ends before 40, so that is before 40. And before 40, I don't know, I thought it did. This one ends before 15. Increment by how much? Wait, no. Oh. Oh gosh. Studying Rust. You rarely take notes. Go back to the docs, guidebooks, and articles you've saved. Yeah, I guess it just... whatever's fastest. Often we'll need to find a number. It's called length. Yeah, I mean, I can imagine you have all this info. You're going to need to find something pretty quick. When we apply len to a list, we get number. So that's the number of elements. Okay, got it. Let me just print out the length because I need to find out how many elements are in this. My hair is like all tangled. Okay. Sorry, sometimes I pull out my hair. Long hair probs. Length of long list. 18. Cool. So it's 18. An element is just whatever's in that list. We have to calculate. Okay. Wait, what? Oh. I think I've done this backwards. Oh, duh. Wow, they went through all these steps when I just did it myself. provided a completed range function for the variable big range. Oh yeah. Okay. Calculated length. Okay. Okay, and the hang. Maybe I'll add this to my notes. The length of big range. Find list length. Maybe set variable. What do I think about PHP? What is PHP? Python? Length can be used on strings, lists, and ranges. Cool. BeamD notes, yes. Let's add that to BeamD notes. Paste that form. Oops. Wait, what? That's, maybe I should put it into my own words. Nah. Variable equals length. I bet if I just went like this, I would understand. Ooh. This, font's not great for parentheses. PHP is language. What do I think about language? It's a language or just language in general? Len can be used on anything. I don't know. I'm just... That's the length of a list. I mean, I can't really forget that. And you can, like... Maybe I'll, like... Okay. I think I understand the vision of what I was trying to copy this earlier. Oops. Okay, so variable length. Oopsie. Length of variable. Cool. Her first language is English. That is true. PHP is a scripting language, usually for website backends. Oh, I don't think I'm familiar with that. Interesting. Is this your first language? My first programming language, yes. My first day I started off, I did HTML. But everyone told me not to do that, so we're not doing HTML. Maybe later. Or maybe HTML is just a lot of copying and pasting. One dude on YouTube is the best programmer. Oh, he's the world's best programmer. He's some teenager. Insane how fast he wrote that code. Print, length, stream chat. Yeah. Okay, did I print? No. Did not. Range, change the range so that big range skips to 100. Ooh. That generates big range. Skips 100 instead of 10. How does this change it? I don't know. Print big range. We don't know because we have to print long list. Oops. We'll find out if capitalization matters. Wait a second. Long list and big range are not even the same things. What? William Lynn's his name. HTML isn't Turing complete programming language. You're better off with Python. Yes. Maybe she wants to program a custom Twitch plugin that makes her life super easy. Yes. You're not currently in a career looking for IT jobs, hobbyist programmer because you got bored. Tech is the move. All that work from home opportunity, I think yes. Okay, we're done with that. Slicing lists. All right, I think I'm gonna leave slicing for the next time. It's time for dinner. Look at it, it's already 6:40. Yeah, I think we're gonna leave off here. We'll come back next time for some more coding or Age of Empires or both. Who knows? Alright, I'm gonna host somebody. Who will it be? Good for you for upskilling. Thank you, Han. Programmer humor. Two concepts. One is being competitive and one is being a professional. Yeah, I'd rather be a professional than a competitive. If I understand what you're saying. Nice work. Thank you. GG's. Thanks, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Should I host Akita? I don't know who they are. I don't know if they're like an Age of Empires streamer. Oh, they got hosted by someone. They only have 100 followers and 100 viewers. Unless they're like view botting themselves. Hey Slipknot. Are you learning Python and arrays? Yes. Yes. They're called lists in Python. They're not called arrays. But yeah, we're doing lists. Coding and subject matter expertise equals money. True. That's the goal, everyone. Don't forget to code. I know I will be coding this weekend. B&D notes. Yep, don't forget it. Alright, have a good weekend, everyone. I'll probably be back tomorrow, I assume, for some age and maybe some coding too. Alright, see you guys next time.